Soldering basics. Two things you need to solder. You need an iron and you need the solder. Now it's quite easy to solder, it just takes a bit of practice. If you want to solder two wires together, this is the best method that I've found. You heat the wire to the same temperature as the solder. You tin the wire. Get a lot of smoke coming off. That's normal. That's just flux burning off. To strip the wire without a proper pair of strippers, you can use normal scissors. You can twist the wires or just straighten the wires. Apply solder to the wire. Get the wire the same temperature as the solder. It will melt. You get a nice silvery finish. Now to join the two wires, you can either tape them together onto a piece of cardboard. You use this technique here, where you just hold it in place onto a piece of insulating surface like a piece of cardboard, and then you fuse the two wires together. Now see that joint there, that is strong. You will not be able to break it. A good joint, it's a nice silvery colour where the solder's melted and flowed around the wire. Next thing, you just need to put a bit of insulating tape around there. Job done. Thank you.